one thing I quickly want to show here before we start looking at what is where and what does what and who is whom is the theme color. I am surprised though that by default it's loading the light theme, because the standard nowadays is actually the dark theme. I'm a light theme user because of my eyesight, but I think a lot of people, majority, may actually prefer the darker theme. So this is maybe something that you want to change immediately. From the settings toolbar at the top, go to where you see the 3 dots, select it and go to preferences. And from preferences under UI settings, third from the top is the dark mode. Just toggle it on. And once you've done that, you will have the dark mode. Then you are very happy. If you want to go back to the light, which is what I will be using during this module tutorial, go again to the settings toolbar at the top, select the 3 dots, preferences, and we disable the dark mode and we're back into light mode. I think that's an important one to get out of the way, because at this point you may want to follow along with the dark theme instead of the light theme that I'm using.